Director Wu. Based on the marks at the bottom of this trench, it wasn't dug by humans, but by some enormous creature, crawling through here. Just how big would a creature have to be to leave crawling marks this deep in the ground? Director Wu. We found someone over here. Let's go check it out. He was scared to death. Looks like we're dealing with something nasty this time. Oh no, it's gone berserk. Found you. Run. Run. Ah. A single rain. One rain. Ruined 1,000 years of my son's cultivation. Your lives aren't enough to pay for it. No. That's a deep pit. What kind of immense power could cause an entire village to collapse? All squads, listen up. Yes. Secure the pit entrance, whatever it is. Don't let it escape. Yes. Seal it with the inscribed chains.